No doubt about it, guys. No question about it at the apology. It was emotional. There were certainly tears. Baker Mayfield found out today that he was going to be punished by his head coach. Here's what happened. He's not going to start the game on Saturday against West Virginia, and he's not going to be a captain in his final game in Norman. This afternoon, Lincoln Riley certainly emotional about that. And tonight, this was Baker Mayfield's reaction.
I knew something needed to be done, and so, like I said, I put Coach Riley in a terrible spot. It's not a decision any coach wants to have to make, but it was necessary, and so it was a hard conversation. He's like a father figure to me. I'm far away from my family, so he's that person for me here.